Hello, my beautiful soulful art babes. So really quick, I wanted to make a video just addressing my shoulder. I'm just kidding. Just addressing how it's like a little mindset shift. Consider this. Whatever your faith system is, whether it's God, Jesus Christ, the universe, your higher self, the all-knowing power, whatever it is, this energy that is helping you along your life and that has granted you everything up to right now and is working by your side, creating whatever it is that you tell it to create. This force wants you to create beautiful things. This force has you here on this planet so that you can create harmony, so that you can play out your role, so that you can be your fullest, best self, so that you can be completely you. In my last video, I talked about choice and how having financial abundance, financial freedom is basically having options. It's having choice. It's having the ability to be like, this is my situation, A is my situation, but I can do B, C, D, E, F, G all over. I can do all of this stuff or anything else. Anything else I can imagine, I can do it. And money's not going to hold me back. I can do it because I have the means. That's all financial abundance is. Like, if I wanted to spend time with my family all the time and just travel and be able to take them with me to travel, that could be your life. We don't have to choose anything other than that. We can choose whatever it is that we want. Not having money, on the other hand, holds you subject to whatever is your situation right now. And a lot of the times you didn't choose it. People put you, well, let's not say you didn't choose it. Maybe your parents chose it for you in the moment. I mean, I believe personally that the overarching your path is you have chosen it. You just don't remember. You chose your parents. You chose your situations because you knew that that was what it was going to take to push you and boost you to the next level. You knew what you had to do. You knew the situation that you had to be in. But let's just say you were put into a situation where you're like, I want to get out. You have the choice to get yourself out when you have money. When you don't have that money, you kind of feel held back a little bit. But that's okay. All that means is you got to start getting creative. But I want you to just start thinking about this. Like, just have this paradigm shift with me. It is your right to be abundant, to feel fulfilled, to feel happy, joyful, to have laughter, to have good company around you. It is your right. Because when you're in that, when you have access to nature, when you have clean water, when you have food, access to healthy food that makes you feel good, you can be yourself so much easier, so much easily. Like, when you're stressed out, you don't perform very well at all. And if you are not performing well, if we don't perform well ourselves, you know, sometimes, like, if we're in a bad mood and someone comes home, we sometimes take it out on them for no reason. Or if there's somebody that, like, is on social media, we're already feeling bad about ourselves and they're feeling bad about themselves. You're just like, it just kind of adds to the cycle of feeling bad, you know? Whereas if someone was feeling like, you could tell they were feeling bad and you're feeling, like, good and you feel powerful, like, you feel like you have clarity and, like, you love where you are in life and you love where you're going, you might see that and literally start praying for them. And you can send them that positive energy that you have inside of yourself. So just think about it. Because if you're watching my channel and you're still watching this video, you're probably a very selfless, considerate, compassionate, like, person. And you genuinely want to help people. You know that this life isn't all about you. You're not so big in your ego. Like, you dismiss your ego sometimes, or you work hand in hand with your ego when it's necessary. And, yeah. So, you know that you are better when you're feeling good, basically. And you can help other people better when you're feeling good. And just consider that, like, we're here on a mission. We've been put on Earth on a mission, and it's to be ourselves. And we were born perfect. Like, we were born with everything that we could have ever needed. So just keep that in mind. Keep that in mind that God just wants you to be prosperous. God wants you to be, wants you to feel good, have access to education. These are your rights. These are literally your rights as a human being. Get that through your brain, because some of us have been convinced that that's not the truth. There couldn't be anything further from the truth. So, yes, that's all for this video. Yeah, let's get to really living like our best lives, like that's all we should be living. That's how we can serve the most and serve the best on this planet. So I'm out.